Hello everyone, today on Meals by Mary we're making crispy chili and tangy potatoes all in one pan. If you're a potato lover, this might just become your new favorite dish. So let's get started. Peel and cut 3 potatoes into medium-sized cubes. Then chop up a bunch of fresh coriander, about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. Try and chop it as fine as you can. Set it aside. Next, smash 2 cloves of garlic, or 3 if you really love that extra garlicky kick. 2 is enough for me. For the spice mix, combine 1/2 teaspoon of paprika with 2 teaspoons of red hot pepper paste. Next, heat about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan. To check if it is hot enough, just drop in small piece of potato. If it sizzles, you're good to go. Add in the rest of the potato cubes, just be careful, and fry them until they are golden brown and all cooked through. If you love potato recipes, you should definitely check out my potato chicken casserole. I'll leave you the link in the description box. Once ready, take them out and set them aside. In the same pan, or grab a bigger one if you need more space, add 3 more tablespoons of olive oil over medium to high heat. Saute the garlic until fragrant, then stir in the paprika and pepper paste mixture. Let that cook together for a moment. This really deepens the flavor. Season with a pinch of salt. I used about 1/2 teaspoon. Then squeeze in the juice of 1/2 lemon. That tangy kick with the spice is really amazing. Finally, toss in the chopped coriander and give everything a good stir. Lastly, add your cooked potato cubes back in so they soak up all that flavor. When you're done, garnish it with more fresh coriander, and there you have it. Crispy, spicy, tangy potatoes ready in just 20 to 30 minutes. This dish is one of my favorite. I just love how all the flavors come together. What is your favorite potato dish? Maybe I'll make it next. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, drop me a comment so I know to make more recipes like this one, and of course subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and see you soon with another recipe. Bye bye.